In celebrations of UNESCO's World Engineering Day for Sustainable Development, we at Association of Nordic Engineers have chosen to highlight how our student network are working actively with solving the SDGs on a daily basis. We at Association of Nordic Engineers does not only think that international collaboration but also Nordic collaboration are crucial to solving this sustainability crisis. And therefore we are glad to showcase how STEM students across the Nordics are working effectively to solve this crisis.
As an engineer, I hope to contribute to solutions that minimize our impact on the environment.
I chose engineering because of my interest in natural sciences and technology. A degree in engineering is extremely versatile and as it gives rise to multiple choices of working fields.
I've always been very fascinated about how the stuff around me works and how it's made. And that's why engineering is really the natural choice for me for an education. Being able to develop something, make it, and see that it works, that's just so fulfilling.
In my field of engineering, I work with problems related to indoor environment and energy use in buildings. I like this is a type of field that affects all of us, and good engineering solutions can lead to a more sustainable building or a higher satisfaction with an office or a home.
The Chemical and Process Engineering program focuses on giving an in-depth understanding of sustainable development in the field of chemical engineering. A big focus lies on emerging fields such as biofuel, energy efficiency and waste management.
In industrial economics, we work with sustainability through learning about different tools we can use to help develop projects in a sustainable way when we start working. We have also learned what kind of challenges and possibilities there is in the future. We also focus on the social aspects that are connected to the United Nations global goals and not only how the natural resources affect the global warming.
I think cooperation between the Nordic countries is key to reaching the Sustainable Development Goals by jointly coming up with new solutions to benefit our global society.
I have a master's in mechanical engineering from DTU, where my focus was primarily on maritime studies. Within the maritime industry, there is a strong tradition of collaboration between the Nordic countries, and I think that has really enabled us to be sort of leading within this sector.
Good Nordic collaboration will help solve problems that would otherwise have been left unsolved, and will therefore accelerate sustainable development for the Nordic countries as a whole.
I wanted to be an engineer because of the possibility to be working with important problems that impacts our society and way of living.
The goals I have for myself as an engineer is to come up with innovations that can affect our future and society for the better. I also want to be a good role model for other women out there and encourage them to study a technical education so it can be more gender.
I wish to be a part of the cutting edge as the field of chemical engineering is in constant development. My goal in becoming an engineer is to make a difference.
I hope here that I can look back one day at this whole project and say, okay, this actually made a difference and it was also really, really fun.